Hey there, welcome to my garden, my patio garden, my garden patio. Boy, I have missed you guys, but here in the Pacific Northwest, it's been rainy, cold, miserable. And then on top of that, I got that day job thing going on that keeps me away from home. But I thought it was about time to give you an update on some progress in my garden, my patio, my backyard. We got a lot going on. It is a work in progress, and the next 6 weeks I am going to do a weekly walk through my garden so you can see the progress. Starting Thursday, the weather is supposed to start getting nice. So without further ado, let's take a walk through my garden. Okay, so if you haven't seen any of my shorts that I've put out, you'll notice that the big pile of wood that was my shed is gone. Check out all these pelargoniums, geraniums. These are, as well as those, and a few still in the greenhouse, are all those that I either bare root wintered over or propagated last fall in preparation. So I had really good success, probably 80% of them. Oh, and check out all these fun things. Have you made it to your local Master Gardener spring plant sale? We had ours here in Pierce County a week ago, and I am single-handedly trying to fund the whole program. Here is just a sample of what I purchased on one of the 2 days. But I was sure to purchase something every day because every day I found something cool. So we will get to those in time. Oh, there's some more. Oh, and there's a plant stand my wife found, clearance. That's gonna look nice. And then one of my pride and joy purchases this year, a red Abyssinian banana. I purchased this 2 months ago. It's been chilling out in the greenhouse, just relaxing, waiting for spring to arrive. My son-in-law was commissioned to build me a planter for it, and he did an amazing job. And it's even on wheels. Check that out. It rolls around. We will get that potted here. Well, you'll see that potted before we see you next time. And we have a few random things here. Ooh, look, my Rhodogursia is growing. That's a good thing. And there's Ginger, like, what the heck are you doing, buddy? She is getting so big. Look at her tail. Ginger, Ginger, we're looking at you. Ginger, we're looking at you. Oh, wow, check out this Fatsia japonica. Oh, Ginger's scared. She thinks I'm coming after her at the phone. Oh, no, poor girl. But look at that. Look at the growth on that thing. Loving it. The Rosa Sharon Cold Hardy Hibiscus, it is budding out. Ooh, look at I picked up on clearance at Walmart, a cool little rain barrel, because I've got plans and I need rainwater. Never mind the dog poo. I haven't been out today yet to clean that up, but you know, nice thing when you got a Great Dane, you can't miss it. The clematis is doing nicely. Oh, and check this out. My neighbor put in a new fence a couple weeks ago. Doesn't that look amazing? Really helps us. And just wait until my canna lilies grow. They've been planted only like a week or two ago, but this will be canna lilies. Last year, you may remember, that was sunflowers, great big giant sunflowers. We have a different spot for that, which we'll get to. You can see some things slowly dying in the greenhouse. We'll get to that in a moment. But check out this lumpin that it came back from last year. I planted that as a seed last year. It had one little flower on it, and now it's just thriving. We've got some evergreen clematis planted in the wrong spot. It's going to get a lot of sun, and it doesn't like that. But we've had a cool spring, so it's growing. We'll be happy. We have a bunch of hollyhocks here, variety of colors. Ooh, and check out this. It's a butterfly plant of some sort. I forget its name, but it's growing. We got a volunteer tree that will be gone soon. Some lavender that we're just gonna go but hey, check out that cardoon. This cardoon is coming back with a vengeance. Liking that. We got some lavender here that's growing well. And the Gunnera, ooh, it's gonna do good. And then we have some, oh, I forget what this is. Not jasmine, it is honeysuckle. This was free with purchase last year. About the only thing from that purchase that's growing. So that's happy. And then we have, you know what? You tell me what that is. I know what it's supposed to be. Can't remember. Anyhow, here's my palm tree. You know, we had this nasty frost. Center's dead. I'm hoping that'll green up and come back. The bamboo isn't doing a lot yet. The strawberry planters, well, they probably needed a little more water than I gave them over winter, but we got one living. Not sure what we're gonna do with the rest. The roses are doing amazing. I need to get those fertilized. Last year's clearance purchase, some sedum and some something else. Rhubarb looks kind of cool, but you know what? I'm digging that stuff out and digging that stuff out too. Hey, let's take a look in the greenhouse. So, I had hoped to grow all these big, beautiful Bergmansia, and instead, what I grew was spider mites. Big time. They're everywhere. Still dealing with them. I haven't given up completely. Hoping to do a few things. Got some elephant ears back in the corner. Got some my mind is a blank. Oh, some fuchsia starts. Some more lavender starts. Some of them are still alive. I got to get in here and water those. And then some begonias. Oh, these are begonias that I propagated. So, oh, and there's another pelargonium. We got some begonias here. Some of these are from the ones that I wintered over. A few of them are new, but we got life in all the pots. And oh wow, look at that fuchsia. That needs to come out. We've got a gardenia trying to die slowly, and then a couple hibiscus. These are the tropical variety. Oh, and look at this. This was a bush that I just cut some leaves or cut some sticks and threw it in the water or dirt, and then it started to grow. I have one of my banana pups is doing well. This one has done nothing all year. It's, you know, it's not dead. It's not completely dry. And then I have Bird of Paradise. This is Bird of Paradise. Working on that. Yellow leaves, yellow leaves. You know what? Sometimes things happen. But we're gonna get all this cleared out. These aren't completely dead yet, but yeah, look at that. That's so frustrating and agitating. I really sprayed these suckers down last weekend. The hopes to mitigate a little bit, and then I'm going to do some treatment. Now, check this out. I have been working to expand my dahlia garden. So let's get a good view of what I've been working on. I need to get some more soil, but can you envision that? So all the oblong raised beds will be dahlias. The three center ones, those are gonna be sunflowers from Sunflower Steve. I was able to acquire 3 packages of seeds when he put them up for sale, his Van Gogh mix, and that's what's gonna go down the center. Still have a lot of work to do here. I'm gonna have a busy weekend next weekend. Oh, look at all the stuff that needs to go in my shed. Oh my gosh. Then my shed. Okay, see, look at that, brand new shed. Isn't that amazing? And my wife has been busy painting. Look at that. We echo. Look at that. She's still working on that. And then if you'll recall, this is where I'm gonna put my shade garden. That was my old shed. This is gonna be my shade garden. I can't wait to get started on that, but I think I need to pressure wash that fence first. So that's high on the list. The Musa is starting to grow. Ooh, and the canna lilies that I just left in the ground, I'm not sure if you can see that. Ooh, look at, oh my gosh. These mostly are the giant ones. I got some more of the giant ones over by the fence for this year, and as well as some other varieties. Ginger just doesn't know what to do. Oh, and I took out a bush over here, and I replaced it with a Fatsia japonica spiderweb. That is going to look amazing. And my estibile is growing. What, my little larkspur delphinium garden? Thinking it's being attacked by aphids. Not aphids, moles. No, not moles. The slimy things. Slugs. That's what I'm looking for. Slugs. We'll get that treated. We'll replace some of the things. And then, did you remember me going on last year about that one plant, that vining plant I badly wanted? It is called a crossvine bignonia tangerine beauty. And I look at that. I found one, and it was reasonably priced. I didn't have to mail order, didn't pay all that shipping. I have it. You just wait. Oh, look at that plant. I'm letting that die outside. It did nothing for me on the inside. It's an inside plant. It did nothing. I need a room for other plants. All right. Okay, so I hope you liked my quick little walk through my garden. Quick, you know, that's all. You know, to some people quick is much quicker than other people, but you know, I ramble on. But you know, that's what I do. If this is your first time finding me, check out some of my episodes from last season. Check out some of the earlier ones, and then check out the ones toward the end, especially my Hawaiian barbecue episode, and you'll see just the progress and the change in the yard, as well as really get an idea of some of the changes already happening this spring. So, and hey, you know, I will always answer any comments, questions any questions entered in the comments of this video. But you can also reach me on Facebook, The Angry Gardener. You'll also find me on Instagram and TikTok, though TikTok's kind of weird. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to hang out with that very long, but Instagram and Facebook, definitely there. The Angry Gardener on Facebook. So you guys have a great week. I will be back next week, and promise, wait to see it sunny and so much more done. It's just going to be unbelievable. All right, see you then. Happy gardening.